Hello students, welcome again to the online class of class 10 science. Now as we have just completed the sexual reproduction in plants, that is angiospermic plant, that means flowering plant. Now moving on to the further, that is sexual reproduction in humans. Very important topic, that is sexual reproduction in humans. First we will understand the male reproductive system. सबसे पहले हम मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम को समझेंगे. After that, what are the organs are there in male reproductive system, then female, then later on we will study the other things. Okay, out of this, the first and most important part of this female, that means male reproductive system, is testis. Okay, testis is important because it produces two things. First, the male hormone, that is testosterone. टेस्टोस्टेरोन हार्मोन प्रोड्यूस करता है and this hormones gives what it leads with puberty in male, which starts in male round about 12 to 14 years, that means in teenage में ये शुरू होती है puberty. R is silent here. Puberty it is known as. And what are the characteristics of a puberty is first cracking of voice crack हो जाना, or you can say hoarseness, of voice, and facial hair grows, that means beard and mustaches. Bearded male characters, these are male characters. During puberty it occurs in male. Third, hair, growth of hair, in armpits, genital region. Genital region stands for where the reproductive organs are, between the thighs, and erection and enlargement of penis, these are the certain change which occurs during puberty in male. Okay, so these are done by the release of testosterone. जैसे टेस्टोस्टेरोन रिलीज होने लगता है हार्मोन, तो ये प्यूबर्टी में इतनी सारी चेंजेस आती हैं. So many changes occur, that is cracking of voice, facial hair, growth of facial hair, that is beard and mustaches, growth of hair in armpits and genital region, erection of and enlargement of penis. Okay, and one more thing it produces, that is sperm. Sperm is very important because it takes part in reproduction. Because it is known as male gamete. ये क्या कहलाता है? Male gamete. Okay, so for this it is important. And after testis, one more important thing, that is scrotum. Scrotum is a bag-like structure, and testis and scrotum both a bag-like structure which carries testis. जो testis को carry करता है, that is known as scrotum, a bag-like structure which carry testis, and both of them, scrotum and testis, present outside of the body, and outside of the body, that means lower abdomen cavity के बाहर ये present होते हैं. And why they are outside? अभी outside क्यों है? Because for sperm production the temperature needed is less than that of our body temperature. Let's suppose our body temperature 37 degrees Celsius. तो sperm production के लिए 37 degrees Celsius is very high. The temperature is very high. इस temperature में sperm production नहीं हो सकता. तो but for that it is suspended outside the body. इसलिए यह body के outside present होते हैं in a bag-like structure that is known as scrotum. Okay. Thus for sperm production 37 degrees Celsius the body temperature is, so it needs 35 to 34.5 degree Celsius. That means 2 degree and 2.5 degree less than that of body temperature for sperm production. We need a male need, what we can say, a male need for 35 degrees Celsius, or you can say 2 degrees Celsius or 2.5 degrees Celsius less than that of our body temperature for sperm production. Okay. After this, one more important organ is vas deferens. Okay, you can see the tube which is starting from testis and goes through the urethra. Means पूरा यहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं, it is going from this tube by this way. This tube is known as vas deferens. The tube which carries sperm from testis to urethra. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell, testis is in pair. ये पेयर में होते हैं, सिंगुलर नहीं होते हैं. And testis is in pair, and singular it is known as testis, and plural it is known as testis. Okay, vas deferens which carries sperm from testis to urethra, that means from where it goes out, जहां से बाहर जाएगा. Okay, vas deferens, the tube like structure which carries sperm, the connective tissue, the connective tube which connect the testis to the urethra. Okay, vas deferens. Then after that, ureter. Ureter is the part of excretory system, excretory organ it is known as, but through which the waste material in liquid form comes from kidney to the urinary bladder. Okay, urinary bladder which stores the waste material, जो waste material को store करता है in liquid form. And after that, two more important glands are there, that means prostate gland and seminal vesicle. Later I will tell you what are the function of these two. First, moving on to the further, that is penis. Penis, you can say it is a ejaculatory organ which inject sperm from male to the female. जो मेल से स्पर्म को फीमेल पर ट्रांसफर करेगा, that is known as penis. Okay. After that, urethra. Urethra is a common passage for urine as well as sperm. It is a common passage. ये common passage है, urine भी as well as sperm भी, दोनों. By this way, they will both will be out. Okay. Now you can see कि यूरिन का भी पैसेज यहां पे खुल रहा है, एज वेल एज यू कैन से कि स्पर्म का पैसेज भी यही है. दोनों का पैसेज यही है, यूरिन भी यहीं से निकलेगी और स्पर्म भी यहीं से निकलेगा. आफ्टर दैट, वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू टेल कि यूरिन और स्पर्म दोनों एक साथ बाहर नहीं निकलते, वन बाय वन. मीन्स लेट सपोज स्पर्म निकला तो उस समय यूरिन नहीं निकलेगा. ओके. आफ्टर दैट, आई वांट टू टेल कि what are the function of prostate gland and seminal vesicle. Okay, seminal vesicle and prostate gland. The function of prostate gland and seminal vesicle is to provide. They provide what? First, fluid. They provide fluid plus food, glucose you can say, to the sperm. वो स्पर्म को फ्लूइड और ग्लूकोज प्रदान करते हैं. एज यू नो कि स्पर्म, एज वी नो कि स्पर्म आर मोटा, द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ स्पर्म इज लाइक दिस. इट इज नोन एज टेल, मिडिल पीस एंड इट इज नोन एज हेड. एज वी नो कि इट इज हैविंग टेल फॉर मूवमेंट, लेकिन फ्लूइड देने का मतलब ये होता है कि वो उसमें स्विम करके आसानी से आगे जा सके. तो दिस इज प्रोवाइडेड बाय प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड और सेमिनल वेसिकल, एंड दे आल्सो प्रोवाइड ग्लूकोज, दैट मीन्स फूड. अब स्पर्म इज मूविंग फ्रॉम हियर टू देयर, एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस में जा रहा है, तो इट ऑल्सो नीड एनर्जी, कुछ एनर्जी भी चाहिए होगी. तो दिस एनर्जी विल बी प्रोवाइडेड बाय सेमिनल वेसिकल एंड प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड. यहीं पर आने के बाद जैसे स्पर्म यहां से आता गया, यहां तक आता गया, दैट मीन्स अब इसमें सेमिनल वेसिकल फ्लूइड भी मिल गया है एंड ग्लूकोज भी मिल गया, दैट मीन्स फूड भी मिल गया एज वेल एज फ्लूइड भी है. नाउ इट इज नोन एज सीमन. स्पर्म इज नोन एज सीमन. That means what is semen? Semen is sperm plus glucose plus you can say fluid. अब वो क्या बन गया है? सीमन बन गया. Why semen? Because it is contained now sperm plus glucose, the jelly-like material, that is fluid, the milky material. Okay, so this is all about the male reproductive system. In next video we will read about the female reproductive system.